નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 6 subject English grammar, lesson number 10, adjectives descriptive. As you know students, in our previous video we completed the teaching point related to adjectives descriptive. Adjective descriptive. Now today in this video we have to do exercise related to that teaching points. But before starting our exercise, just we have to revise what is an adjective. Can you give me answer? What is an adjective? Adjective is a word. Adjective is a word which define or modify nouns and pronouns. Adjectives are words which define or modify the nouns and pronouns. It is all are known as adjectives. Here in this lesson we have to discuss about descriptive adjectives. Descriptive adjective describe the size, shape, color, features, quality of the nouns. They all are known as a descriptive adjectives which describe the nouns, shape, colors, features, size, etc. things. That types of adjectives are known as descriptive adjectives. Now idea clear students? Based on that, we have to do exercise A. Exercise A's heading is given here. Rewrite the following sentences using appropriate adjectives from those given below. Open your textbook, page number 37 with me. Just here, exercise A we have to do. What is the heading of the exercise A? Rewrite the following sentences. 10 sentences is given. 10 sentences are given on downside. Just we have to use that adjectives given in the textbook list. We have to use that adjectives and rewrite the whole sentences. Rewrite the whole sentences. Before starting our exercise, just we have to see the list of adjectives. Here, adjectives list is given. See, first, short, then heavy, refreshing, faithful, tasty. Downside, vicious, exciting, noteworthy, expensive, vivid. All words are known as an adjectives. These adjectives we have to use in our sentence and we have to rewrite the whole sentences. So just first sentence I read from the textbook. Keep attention there. And then I write here correct answers of that sentence. So I read the question from the textbook and answers I write on the board. You have to complete all the answers in your textbook with pencil. Understand student, what do you have to do? Okay. First sentence is given here. Keep attention in your textbook. Rudyard Kipling has also written stories. Rudyard Kipling has also written stories. Here, first of all, in that sentence you have to find out the noun. Which is noun here? Can you find out? Yes, stories is noun. Stories is noun. Before that noun, we have to put adjective from that list. Which adjective is suitable for that story? So I write correct answer here. You have to complete it. First answers. So all are written by me is answers. So I give here heading answers. Answers. First answer. First answer I write here. What do you have to write? First one. Rudyard Kipling. Rudyard Kipling has also written. Till here we have to write. After that, before noun, we have to put adjective. Which adjective is suitable before stories? We have to add here. Suitable adjectives we have to add here, and then we have to write noun stories. Which adjective is suitable for that sentence? Yes, I take short. Also written short stories. Here, short word I added as an adjective. It defines the noun stories. So short stories, here we can see the story's size. It descriptive adjective short. I put descriptive adjective short here. It describes the story. How story? Short story. Okay, short story. So it defines the stories. Okay, so I add here short story. You have to complete your answer sentence in your text. Now second sentence I read from the textbook. Newton made contribution in physics. Now here, which is noun? First of all, you have to find out the noun. Contribution is the noun given here. We have to modify it with the adjective. Okay? So I write answer here. Which adjective is suitable? With the second sentence I write Newton made. Till here we have to complete made. After that we have to put adjective. Which adjective? Before our contribution, which adjective is important? Noteworthy. I take noteworthy. Contribution in physics. So students, I put here noteworthy as an descriptive adjective. It describes the contribution noun. Noteworthy contribution. Noteworthy means ध्यान लेवा जेवुं जेने कहेवाय. Noteworthy contribution in physics. Can you understand, students? Here our second sentence over. Now third sentence I read from the text. Just keep attention here. It is better to befriend a dog than have a disloyal friend. It is better to befriend a dog than have a disloyal friend. Which is noun here? Can you find out? Yes, dog is the noun here. We have to modify dog with adjectives given here. So I write here till dog. See here, third answer. It is better to befriend A. Now till here you have to complete. After A, we have to put the adjective from that list. Which is suitable adjective? Yes, faithful. I put faithful before dog. Faithful dog. Can you understand? Then have a disloyal friend. So students, I put here faithful as an adjective. It describes the dog. Faithful dog. Okay? Faithful dog. Can you understand here? 3 sentences we completed. We use 3 adjectives here. Now, fourth sentence we have to see. Fourth sentence is given here. The government has passed a decree against school bags. A decree against school bags. The government has passed a decree against school bags. Which is noun here? Can you find out? Yes, school bags is a noun here. We have to define the school bags. So till school bags you have to write sentence. Fourth sentence. The government had passed a decree. It is called as a decree. Decree against. Now after against we have to put an adjective. Which adjective is suitable here from that list? Yes, I put heavy. Heavy school bags. So students, here heavy adjective modified the school bags noun. Okay, school bags, but which type of school bags? Heavy school bags. So I add adjective heavy before the school bags noun. Can you understand, students? Here our 4 sentences we completed. You have to complete that 4 answers in your grammar textbook. Okay, students? Understand? Sentence number 5 we have to see. I read from the textbook. Just keep attention here. The mammoth was an animal. Here, one sentence is given, which is a noun here. Can you find out? Yes, animal is a noun here. We have to modify the animal with given adjectives. So I write before till animal. Just sentence number 5. Answer number 5. The mammoth. The mammoth was an. Now we have to put the adjective before animal. Which adjective is suitable to that animal? Yes, exciting. Exciting. Exciting animal. Student, one more thing I want to say that an animal is given in your question sentence. Before animal you have to put adjective. If adjective started with a vowel sound, then an is okay. But if adjective starting with a consonant sound, then we have to change the article here also. We have to put a instead of n. But here started with vowel sound, so I keep it in a n, remaining same form. Okay. But if adjective started with a consonant sound, then we have to put a here. Okay. Just keep in mind. So I put exciting here. Exciting animal. Exciting adjective describe animal noun. Can you understand, student? Now next sentence number 6 we have to see. Luna gave a description of the incident. Luna gave a description of the incident. Here Luna gave a description. Which is noun here? Can you identify? Which is noun here? Description is noun here. Before that noun we have to put adjective. So what happened here? I write 6 number sentence. Luna gave a. Luna gave a Description. Before description, I put adjective vivid. 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 Description. Description of the incident. Of the incident. So students, I put vivid adjective before description. It described or modified the description word vivid. Vivid means vividta sabha. Vivid description of the incident. Can you understand, student? Now, seventh sentence we have to see. Now, seventh number sentence we have to discuss about it. Seventh sentence. I read from the text. Just keep attention. What makes you behave like a devil? What makes you behave like a devil? Seventh sentence is given here. Now, which is noun here from that sentence? Devil is a noun here. We have to modify devil noun here with our adjective list. So what we have to write here? We have to complete here. What makes you behave like a till here I write. Okay, now which word suitable here? Vicious devil. Vicious means very danger, khara. Like a vicious, vicious devil. Question mark sign. So I add vicious as an adjective here. Can you understand, student? It modified the devil noun vicious devil. Okay. Now sentence number 8 I read. Bella cooked some dishes for the guests. Bella cooked some dishes for the guests. Which is noun here? Yes, this is noun here. We have to modify this is here. 8th sentence number. Bella cooked some. Now before this is we have to put adjective. Which word I take? Yes, tasty. I take tasty. So sentence become like that. Tasty dishes. Tasty dishes for the guests. Can you understand, student? I put tasty adjective before dishes. Dishes, but which type of dishes? Tasty dishes. So here adjective tasty describe the dishes. Can you understand till here, student? Here we completed 8 sentences. Sentence number till 8. Okay? Just complete all the sentences in your textbook. Sentence number 9. I read from the text. Just keep attention here. The businessman decided to buy the painting. The businessman decided to buy the painting. Which is a noun here? Can you find out? Yes, painting is a noun here. We have to modify the painting noun with our adjective. So what answer become here? 9th number. The businessman decided to buy the. Till here, so now we have to describe painting with our adjective. Which word I use? Expensive. Yes, expensive painting. So students, sentence 9 over here. The businessman decided to buy the expensive painting, but which type of painting? Expensive painting. Okay, so here expensive adjective describe the painting noun. Okay, now 10th sentence and last sentence. See, it was a morning full of dewdrops. It was a morning full of dewdrops. Which is noun here? Dewdrops. Dewdrops means what? Can you understand? Jhakar bindu. It is known as a dewdrops. We have to modify the dewdrops here with our adjective. Okay? So 10th number sentence here to write. It was a morning full of. After of we have to put our adjective refreshing. Adjective we have to put here. Refreshing dewdrops. So students, here I use refreshing as an adjective. It defines the noun dewdrops. Refreshing dewdrops. Can you understand students here? So students, you have to complete all the 10 sentences in your grammar textbook with pencil as an answer. Here our exercise A over. Remaining exercise we have to do in our next video. Thank you for joining us.